Is your Audi Q7's entertainment system stuck on a loading screen, preventing access to navigation or audio? This common issue affects models from 2016-2024 and often stems from software glitches. The first step is a soft reboot. Press and hold the MMI power button for 5 to 10 seconds until the system restarts. This clears corrupted temporary data. If that doesn't work, consider a hard reset by disconnecting the vehicle's battery for 10 to 15 minutes or locating and removing the fuse for the MMI module as per your owner's manual. Crucially, ensure your MMI software is up to date. Audi has released major firmware updates like 1234.0 or higher to fix boot loops and stability issues. These are available via USB or the My Audi app and are often the most effective long-term solution. The Audi Q7's entertainment system uses a Linux-based MMI that can get stuck during boot due to corrupted cache, incompatible apps, or network timeouts. Recent Audi Q7 models from the post-2023 facelift experience fewer issues thanks to pre-installed updated software, but 2016-2022 models are more prone if they haven't been updated. The key to prevention is proactive software maintenance. Regularly check for and apply the latest firmware updates from Audi, as these contain bug fixes for loading errors and improve kernel stability. Experts highlight that 65% of loading issues stem from outdated software. If basic reboots and updates don't resolve the problem, it might indicate a deeper hardware issue, like failing storage, which accounts for about 15% of cases. In such situations, or if you encounter persistent error codes using diagnostic tools like VCDS, it's best to consult a certified Audi technician. Audi's 2025 service bulletins emphasize proactive diagnostics, and dealers offer free software refreshes.